everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about the conditional access. Let's see what it is. So as you can see in the diagram, we have different types of signals here. So in this case, let's say use location or what type of application that you're using, and based on the risk as well. So if certain signal satisfies the condition, we can perform certain action. In this case, we can allow the access, or we can add the user to use multi-factor authentication in order to use that particular application, or we can block the access to these premises. So in this case, we'll be blocking the access. Let's see how it goes. So to use the conditional access, let's go ahead and create a user. So let's go to the Active Directory here, users, and let's add a user here. So new user, and let's give him a name of Lucky, and that should be fine. So I'll just copy this password, and I'll just paste it. Great. So we have created a user called Lucky, and let's go to the properties now, because to use conditional access, we have to remove the defaults. So right now it's yes, so we have to make sure that it's no, because we are using conditional access here. And make sure you select this one. My organization is using conditional access, which we'll be doing in a bit, and save. So now it's done. Let's copy that to user's UPN. Let's go to the incognito mode. Request cannot be served. Let's refresh it. Now it's able to serve. So let's add the, sorry, I added some other ID. Where is Lucky? There you go. So let's add that password which we have copied. Let's reset the password. Nope. So let me save that password which I have typed here, because I'm very bad at remembering things, so I'm just saving it somewhere. So it's done. So now let's go to the Office 365, and let's see if we have access to it or not. So you see right now we were able to access Office for this particular user called Lucky. So let's use the conditional access, and let's block this access for this user. So we'll be seeing that in the next video. So, and I'll be giving the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.